Again, welcome everyone, and thanks for the opportunity to present this solution. We had presented this solution in 2019 in ISPMA Summit, and this was one of the a product among the Excellence Award winner. So as Harvinder has set the context already, the product is more about the branch digitization. Now we all know how digitization is important in the banking sector, of course, in all the sectors, but we limit the conversation here in the banking area with this whole digital money and all this mobile banking, internet banking, everything coming in. This space is very exciting. So I lead a small team actually that works on the new ideas, and we incubate new solutions in this space of digital banking. So this product was one of the incubation that our team had worked out earlier. A product of the discussion today, we call it Finacle Mobile Teller. The idea of this solution was to take the branch experience completely digital, right? And when I say digital, I'm making it smart. So if you have visited the branch, and I'm sure some of you have done it, the traditional experience in the branch is the teller is there behind the desk, and there is a queue, and then the whole thing, is the experience is not very good, right? So we wanted to change this whole experience by providing a solution using which the teller can sit across with the customer, and they can share the screen, they can share the whole experience, and they can make it more like a coffee shop kind of conversation. So we wanted to change the experience of the customer visiting the branch. Now, while doing so, we redesigned the whole experience on tablet. This solution is also available on mobile. And the idea was that we make the branch a zero queue branch. And again, being on digital or tablet, and this can also be used for work from home, or this can also be used for doorstep banking, especially for the senior citizens and different kind of people. So the idea was to make the whole branch banking completely smart and fully digital. And while doing so, we also wanted to leverage the capabilities of device, let's say the photo capture abilities, or voice or authentication, or those kind of things, right? So that was the idea behind this solution. The primary trigger was to change the experience. So if you see all the um, traditional enterprise application, they have still not geared up to the modern app kind of experience that typically we see in our daily life, right? So the idea behind this solution was to create those app kind of experience for the enterprise user as well. So we had different types of personas that we created. So it could be actually it has been created for all the users in the bank. So it could be teller or relationship manager, or the agents who typically visit and sell uh, loan or deposit or different kind of product. So this is the ISPMA heat map that Harvinder presented earlier. And here, since this is more of a product incubation, so we had the early incubation um, areas relevant for this, right? So uh, as I said, portfolio management was an important part, because this product actually is part of the larger banking um, product portfolio. Okay, innovation was a very key component in this whole product development, because we had to we had to bring in the new technology, the newest user experience, the newest framework for localization or customization, and all these things were very crucial for the product development and initial success. Okay, then delivery model and service strategy, again, in a typical product framework, we had a product engineering team, then we have a product implementation team, and then there is a product support team. So all these people actually collaborate, and then after the product implementation is done, the transition is done to the service support team. Okay, pricing is a challenge, of course, for any new product, and so was for this, because if the product is not available in the market, especially in the enterprise domain, we do not have much information about the pricing of the product, right? So this is more of a discovery process, and I'll say that we are still into it because we are trying to figure out where the value or how the product is giving to the bank. So I'll say this is more like a discovery process based on client to client, then ecosystem management, because the solution has an integration with a lot of backend systems and other partners like fintechs, and also it also had to think of the various integration framework or various strategy around that. Okay, then requirement engineering, of course, is very crucial part of any new product development. So, so we incorporated that, and then of course customer analysis. So here, since we had a clear understanding of the kind of banks that we were targeting and the kind of persona that we were targeting, so we had a better view of their day, the typical job in the day, and then what all they do. So this customer analysis helped us in refining the product. Then typical sales planning and customer relationship management also followed along with the product.